Hey guys, welcome to another episode at Luxury Bathrooms. Today we're going to take you through a renovation we're doing in Moorabbin, so come on through. A lot of these older designs are designed for privacy, not functionality. So as you can see here, this toilet is separate from the bathroom. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this wall and then we're going to open it up to create a lot more space. Now with this older window, older style with the cabinetry, we're going to remove this. And we're going to have a big square aluminium window, which is going to create a lot more light in here. Now this is the ensuite. This has actually been updated pretty recently. Now the only problem with this is it was probably done by the previous owner or by someone that was cheap and doesn't really know what they're doing. So there's a few issues with this. You've got some like massive lips with your tiling. It looks really rough. If you look at over here, you've got like a 15mm gap behind the shower screen with a big bead of silicone. It looks really dodgy. And then in the shower area, because this is like a serious issue, this needs to be all ripped up and make sure it's done properly. So we're going to redo the whole thing. And then the kitchen. So we're just going to redo the entire kitchen. We're going to do some new stone bench types. We're sort of keeping the same layout because it's pretty functional as it is. And then we're also doing the butler's pantry. So it was all open splice shelving, so we're going to make sure this all has enough storage so we can cover it up and just look a lot neater in here. What's going on, bro? I haven't seen you in a while, mate.
Yeah, man. Last time I saw you was on Zoom.
What do you reckon of this? Oh, I'll read it to you now.
Okay.
It's a bit like, I'm trying to like explain it more in like a better way. So like, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Luxury.
Quiet you. Your organization is terrible. Your organization is terrible. The Chinese virus. Oh, he's heard that. Quiet. You're a very rude, disrespectful person. Give us a new one. Get excited this. You see this beautiful hair? It's not blonde.
Alright,
like
alright, come on, that's it. Come on, that's it. So remember boys, we're going to be cautious of the floor, so we can't just throw shit like we did at Hawthorn.
This is why don't become a tradie. You fucking fuck.
I feel like we got it, they just weld it there.
No, pick it up, tilt it, and we'll get through the doorway.
Like this, and we're just going to put it in the...
Alright. Every little helps, you know.
Can you get out of the way for a bit?
And then Ellis can come right next to you. And then I'll swing, hold up.
Alright, we're going to have to drop it.
Good.
I've got Ellis, you're right.
Take it straight out or out the back?
Out.
Right.
You going?
Yeah.
Thank you. You all good, man?
Huh?
Yeah, you all good?
I'm all good, I'm good. I just need a fucking shit.
Do you want a shit? Go shit, mate. The toilet's yours, mate. It's your thing when you come on my site. It'd be weird if you didn't shit.
Anyway.
What?
I was gonna say, how long did you lose your license for driving for?
Yeah, that doesn't need to go. That doesn't need to go on the vlog. Boys, so I gotta order new shirts.
Yeah.
So we're gonna order them for Simon. Should we get like just tees for summer?
I need a medium, you know?
I need large. Get some singlets.
Singlets are very unprofessional. I don't know what you're thinking.
Yeah, no
No,
singlets.
I'm joking.
Typical apprentice wear a singlet.
Joking, man. I'm just trying to be funny.
You're gonna be working hard, no lunch.
We're not having lunch. Not today. Has to all be ripped out. You just had 2 weeks off. What are you looking at me like that for?
No lunch, I'm hungry.
I haven't eaten.
pair of you.
What, a D cup? What do you think? No, this is no good. I have to get rid of that. You shouldn't be able to do that, man. When like little cows come up to you and try and like get the milk, that's when you know they're bad. Anyway, I might get these. I don't know. Hey, I felt dead, but until now, I got the food, so I've got some excitement. There's some light at the end of the tunnel.
How was the job today?
The job?
Yeah.
It was alright. Yeah. I was mostly with Josh, so it wasn't the best, man. I know his wife does it.
Tell us about Zach.
Yeah, Zach. Oh, Zach. Don't get me started. Nah, Zach's alright, yeah. Just cleaning up. If it wasn't for him, everything would be dirty. That shop's alright, yeah. That's Luke's missus.
Really?
Yeah, he was.
Our friend.
Yeah, but he dreams about it. She's gonna see this. Killing his chance. Good times ahead, mate. Oh, jeez. Almost killed this guy. Who opens the door like that? Too much drink around here.
Once a week.
There he is.
Wow, this guy got cakes for everyone.
You miss his man.
Saying hi?
Yeah, to clean up.
What did you drink? Mocha,
Everything's for me. What do you think that's for you, man?
The mocha.
I'll show you.
Oh, I don't do that. Just finished the butler's pantry. The boys are just finishing off the kitchen. It's a lot bigger than we expected. We had a 10-metre skip, but that's going to get filled up very quickly. So we're trying to get that ordered, and then now we're starting in here. We've got this room and another one, and we're hoping to get it done today, but we'll see. Those cast iron blocks, they weigh about 400 to 500 kilos. So the only way to smash them is with a sledgehammer, split them in half and then carry them out. They used to do that back in the day, just two of them, to carry them up 3 flights of stairs, crazy. 4 stairs. Yeah. Look how they've done it. See that? That should always finish on a stud.
But it hasn't.
That's how they left it.
Are you taking it all off?
Whoa! Everything's going. Mate, there's so much tiling. Everything's going.
These are sinks. They're sick. Nice.
I think they've got green.
Yeah. Yeah, not green.
We'll go get a sneak peek, mate. Kenny.
Things.
Yeah, come suss the bath, mate.
Sort of dolls.
Woo!
Yeah.
Stone, yeah.
That's incredible. Beautiful.
The floor and some walls. No, like, because there's walls that are like this as well. It's not just.
And then all that tapware sinks.
Water is the worst.
The best.
The best.
The best worst.
Fuck, man. It's gonna get dusty, bro. It's gonna get fucking like too dusty for you in here.
fucking gross. Is it funny, is it? Yeah, it's funny. Well, if the more angry you get, the more difficult it becomes. Just make some damage, you know. Come on, bro, let's go. You good?
No, this will work.
Oh, power motor trip because is there lights on?
This up to this?
No, hold on.
Power motor trip.
Might be
Where's
this.
the fuse box? Hooked up to the same circuit, so might just trip this circuit.
He's gonna charge us for it.
Yeah,
We're gonna get it on the invoice.
Hey,
Hey boys, hold on. So we just let the videographer jackhammer and he's killed the power grid, so we can't work for the rest of the day. Fucking Kenny, watch out, there's some low wires! This is fucked, man. Water damage, so it hasn't been done properly. Hasn't been packed properly. So that's all what happens, like just years and years of leaving it, and then it's just done by dodgy tradesmen, and then it gets worse and worse, and then it's going to cost you more. You just do it right the first time. So we're going to have to rip up all the floor, which we're going to do anyway, but we're going to have to rip up the floor and then probably replace those joists because that's the support of the house. So they need to be replaced exactly where they are.